Morning quiet breaks as the river glows softly, drawing the heart toward peaceful memories. In the gentle village air, a young boy wonders how another calm day will begin. Warm aromas rise as he cooks breakfast, building comfort from simple, honest care. Laughter sparkles as children chase silverfish, dancing beneath the flowing stream. He lifts each ripe persimmon gently, honoring traditions shaped by steady village hands. His basket fills with earth's colors, carrying quiet pride through the garden path home. In his small wooden kitchen, he shapes simple harvest into a tender, comforting meal. Together they bend over bright fields, planting patience and hope in mirrored waters. He packs warm lunches with care, delivering comfort to workers under the shining sky. Midday laughter drifts softly as they share food together beside the golden fields. Evening wraps the home in quiet warmth, where simple joys gather without a sound. Children walk beneath golden leaves, while the day ends with promises of gentle tomorrows.